Happy Friday, we're here again. Let's finish out this week strong, starting right into that warm-up. So for our warm-up today, we have an 8-minute AMRAP with a 200-meter run or a minute in place. Then we have 10 burrito ground overheads. Make sure you're bending down with those knees and not bending down with that back. So squat down with those knees, drive through those legs, and get that burrito all the way overhead. Then after that, we have 10 air squats. Starting out, if you can't get all the way to the bottom, that's fine. But as you get warmed up, drive those knees out, push that butt back, and get all the way down to the bottom. We're going to rinse and repeat for 8 minutes here, so probably looking 3-4 rounds. Get nice, warm, nice and sweaty. Then after that, we're going to go right into that strength portion. We have 4 different movements here. Each time you're going to go for 30 seconds of max effort and then 30 seconds of rest. So minute 1, you're going to do burrito skull crushers. Tap that burrito down to the bottom. Make sure those elbows are pointed out and away. We don't want those elbows up to the top. So if we point those elbows out and away, we're keeping tension on that tricep the whole time, which is what we're looking for. Tap that burrito behind you, then lock out all the way at the top. Rest for 30 seconds. Next up, we have a dumbbell bench press. So we're going to start with that right side. Elbow taps the ground. And then when you press all the way up, we don't want to press straight up. You almost want to come to a center just for a little bit, keeping a little more tension on that chest. Once again, you don't want that elbow high, almost by your ear, and you don't want it touching your rib cage, so nice 45-degree angle. 30 seconds of work on the right, 30 seconds rest, then 30 seconds, same thing on the left side, 30 seconds of rest. And then our last movement is a stomach vacuum. So on this movement, I think we've done it once or twice. You're going to round your back all the way at the top. Then you're going to squeeze your belly button all the way to your spine. It should be a little difficult to breathe here. That's how you know you're doing it right. If you're doing this and you're able to talk just fine, that means you're not squeezing your abs enough. So, nice tabletop position. Round your back at the top. Squeeze your belly button all the way to your spine. 30 seconds of rest. 5 total rounds of everything. Next, for our workout, we have 6-minute rounds for 3 rounds, starting with a plate ground overhead, thumbs facing down, squatting down with those knees, not with our back, driving through those legs and helping use that momentum to get that plate locked out overhead. Performance 50 reps, athletic 40 reps, health is 30 reps. Then after you get done with those plate ground overheads, we're going to go for that 400-meter run or 2 minutes in place. And then next movement, we have plate thrusters, keeping that plate in that front rack position, squatting all the way down, driving through those legs, getting that plate locked out overhead. Performance is 25 reps, athletic is 20 reps, health is 15 reps. Whenever you get done, you get the remainder of that 6 minutes to rest. So if it takes you 4 minutes, you get 2 minutes to rest, so on and so forth, 3 total rounds. And then last but not least, we got a little bit of a cool down here. It's going to burn those shoulders just a little bit more. You're going to hold your plate out in front, and then you're going to drive that steering wheel back and forth. So you're starting on the sides, locking all the way out at the top, locking all the way at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for 50 total reps. I know it's going to burn after about 10 reps. Sit it down, shake it out, hop right back to it, get those 50 reps, then you're done for the day, guys. All right, that's all we got. See y'all on Saturday.